DGH Engineering, every day we live and work our core values. Safety.
These are the core values that we all work to, that we try to enhance in our employees.
Quality.
I think we drive our safety and quality very hard across the business. I think that's what makes us stand out.
People.
It's a family-orientated business. It's a close-knit team at DGH.
And community.
We really love our community. I've been a member of the community all my life.
The core values, well, they're the driving stone of our business. So I think they're very important to us.
And it allows us to operate safely and effectively within the industries that we service, and it also allows us to give back to the community as well.
Teamwork, it is huge. There has to be. And I think to be in this company, you have to be a team player.
DGH has an enviable record of consistent success across a range of industry, including mining, sugar, ports, water and wastewater treatment.
We're constantly diversifying. At the moment we're looking at water and water treatment, which has been very good for us. We go to the ports, we go to the sugar mills, we do agriculture, we do construction.
We're truly a one-stop shop, renowned for our high-quality fabrication, machining, fitting, industrial tiling, polyspraying and blast and painting work.
We have a strong team environment. We're a locally owned business. Local employees make up about 98% of our workforce. The more we put into our employees, the more they give back. Enthusiasm, dedication and their loyalty to the business.
We really encourage a family type unit in DGH.
We have fully integrated into the underground mining market with refurbs, rebuilds and fabrication, all to the highest DGH standard. Increasingly, mining industry innovation under challenging conditions and tight timeframes is a huge aspect of our current operations. This is showcased with our rotary breaker rebuilds, utilising advanced design riding rings and surveyed by a laser tracker. Cost-effective, high quality and delivered on time. Our fully equipped mobile welding units bring our workshop to you. And you can be sure our personnel are focused on safety and are committed to quality. At DGH Engineering, we make it happen without compromise.
Technology's got a lot to do today. You've got to be able to do things more effectively, more efficiently. That's what the clients expect.
I think the key to maintaining a safe workplace is encouraging and empowering your employees to take ownership and responsibility for their own health and safety. More importantly, to look out for one another.
Through our corporate culture, we are approachable and accessible right to the top.
Teamwork and mateship are very important. I think it leads to a good culture, which leads to good outcomes, and people are happy to come to work and work for us, which I think is very important.
I work in the business, I come down to the workshops, I go out on site, I rub shoulders with the boys and girls that are doing the hard work for us.
And we're proud of our full capability on and off site.
I definitely see technology and innovation as a big part of DGH's future. We're always looking for new and innovative ways to better serve our clients and their requirements.
Very important to deliver high quality products consistently and maintain that good reputation.
Fabrication and install, on-site repair and maintenance, on-site planning and project management, on-site construction and engineering support, shutdowns and down days, or in our engineering workshops in Mackay and Emerald. We're part of the community, with offices in Proserpine and Townsville, servicing our growing number of clients. Plus, our quad-certified products and procedures guarantee you quality.
It's excellent working here at DGH. It's all about communication. Without communication, you can't have teamwork. Workplace culture, mateship absolutely play a huge part in DGH's effectiveness.